Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can trace a package on DHL. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to track a package on DHL, what you need to do is first thing, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in the link that will be www.dhl.com/tracking.html. Now the tracking link will be different according to your location or the country that you're residing on. Since I'm residing in Asia, so I have, what you can do is simply you can open up your web browser and then you can type in DHL tracking, and after that you'll be able to see a list of fields and you need to click on the field that shows the location of your country, and after that you'll be taken to the track and trace page where you need to enter in the code of your tracking number and click on track in the right hand side corner, and after that you'll be able to track a package on DHL. In spite of this method, if you're unable to do it, so you can write an email to the customer service with your tracking code. After that you'll be updated regarding your package. In this way you can track a package on DHL. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.